Okay, here's a test. You can see this is the rubric that I built. Again, if you go to grade setup, you can go to rubrics and build one. Okay, so that's where I created it. And I attached it to this test assignment. So here we go. Here's the test assignment. What I want to show you first is this is my practice course, and this is me as a student. So I want to show you the grade right now because then we'll test if it really works. So here's my average right now. So let's go back to this assignment, which is supposed to be extra credit because you can see it's marked as 0. All right, so what I want to show you is how it's going to be important to set up the rubric. So name and title, is it included? So as soon as I check it, it's not going to add any points, but it's going to be green. Okay, so file directions, yes. Now here's the problem, because see, if I check needs improvement, since they're all 0 points, they're all going to get chosen. So I recommend if you're wanting to do a extra credit rubric that you simply have either you click the box so it's green or you don't. Okay, and then maybe I've decided each category is going to be worth, say, 3 points. So 1, 2, 3. So this would be 9. So now I'm going to need to go here and change that 0 to a 9. Okay, click save. All right, so now if it really worked, the average should have changed. So let's go back to the grade book. And you can see the average did go up. So this is being counted as extra credit. Okay, and I can click straight from here from the grade book and see right here. So say I wanted to make this worth more points. Instead of 3, they're 5 points each. So that's 15. Click save. The average should go up, which it absolutely does. So this is a way that you can actually incorporate a rubric into an extra credit assignment. You just have to get a little creative and just include all your categories as a single choice. Okay, hopefully that helps.